Cameron, how about at Dell? A lot of different activities going on there across the community. Give us one example that you'd like to highlight.
Yeah, Luke, thank you. I'll tell you, I'll give you an example that'll hopefully take that data as bake and I'll make you a BLT and give you some full service here.
Okay.
What you've heard across all of the constituents on the panel are these individual discrete capabilities that ultimately create mission value. But I'll give you one example. Ramesh, I promise you I won't break security from a classification, but Eileen, I love the Air Force. I got to highlight this because it's brilliant. If you look at everything the panel's just talked about, Luke, what you've seen is segments of an overall community effort to really build a solution in what we call cloud adjacency. So let's walk this through. If you look at what the joint forces are doing with Joint All Domain Operations, or JADC2 as well, the Air Force really leaned into this heavily with their Advanced Battle Management System and ABMS and what's going on with high capacity backbone. We literally took every concept that is being discussed today, the federated analytics, the federated data out at the tactical edge. Literally, tactical edge in this case, Luke, can be air breathing platforms, flying platforms, base platforms, whatever the case is. And this is in operations today. And this is what is so humbling, but really prideful to serve in this capacity. We have data all around the globe that has to be analyzed in near real time, because Luke, you know, we still can't solve for the speed of light, right? That's a science problem we're still all waiting to solve. But those analytics are being done in near real time. Those data outputs, that analytic output is being given to the combatant commanders and to the Air Force leadership in near real time so that they can make decision criteria, because as we know, it's all about speed to decision, and the Air Force uses the OODA loop, right? Observe, orient, decide, and act. And that OODA loop is getting shorter and shorter and shorter. So we're creating decision advantage for not only the commanders, but going higher up the policy level for Capitol Hill and people to make better mission-based decisions in near real time. I'm very proud of that work because the type of data we're talking about, Luke, is in that exabyte, yottabyte stage. But when the Air Force needs it back in country, we can surgically now decide what data needs to be collected, and using the brilliant capabilities that Equinix brings, we can literally move that data from just about anywhere around the world back to the United States within hours, not days. We're not, yanking hard drives out in Kandahar or any of these places, shipping them back, and it's a 3-month, before the analysts get post-mission analytics. We're talking the same day, same week. And this is all because of the great work that the Air Force pioneered with Kessel Run, the tanker refueling application that Eileen talked about, that we're now getting analytics distributed at the edge. So very proud of that fact. But what it illustrates, Luke, is in the cloud adjacency space, it's going to take all of us to rally as a community to support that mission outcome, which is so precious.